What happens when Mercedes-Benz luxury meets extreme BRABUS performance? The result is the incredible new BRABUS 900 edition, a high-performance SUV that pushes power, luxury, and exclusivity to an entirely new level. This machine is designed for those who want more than just a luxury vehicle. It is built for drivers who demand attention wherever they go. At first glance, the BRABUS 900 edition looks absolutely stunning. The aggressive front fascia features a redesigned grille, larger air intakes, and signature BRABUS styling elements that instantly separate it from the standard Mercedes model. Carbon fiber components are found throughout the exterior, adding both visual drama and aerodynamic efficiency. The sculpted hood, wide body enhancements, and sporty side skirts create an imposing presence on the road. Moving around the vehicle, massive forged wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, giving the SUV an athletic stance. Every angle showcases a balance between elegance and aggression. The rear design is equally impressive, featuring a sporty diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and subtle BRABUS badging that lets everyone know this is no ordinary luxury SUV. Whether parked or moving, the BRABUS 900 edition commands attention like few vehicles on the planet. Step inside, and the cabin becomes a showcase of handcrafted luxury. Premium leather covers nearly every surface, while Alcantara accents and carbon fiber trim create a sophisticated yet sporty atmosphere. The seats are beautifully designed, offering exceptional comfort and support for both daily driving and long-distance journeys. The attention to detail is remarkable. Contrast stitching, custom BRABUS logos, illuminated door sills, and premium materials elevate the experience far beyond what most luxury SUVs offer. Advanced digital displays provide easy access to vehicle information, navigation, entertainment, and performance data. Ambient lighting allows drivers to personalize the cabin atmosphere, creating a truly premium environment day or night. But luxury is only part of the story. The true highlight of the BRABUS 900 edition lies beneath the hood. Power comes from a heavily modified twin, turbocharged V8 engine producing an astonishing 900 horsepower. That level of performance transforms this luxury SUV into a supercar killer. Acceleration is simply breathtaking. The sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes only a few seconds, delivering an adrenaline rush every time the accelerator is pressed. The upgraded suspension system helps maintain stability and control even at high speeds. BRABUS engineers have carefully tuned the chassis to provide a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Drivers can enjoy smooth cruising on highways while still having access to incredible handling when roads become more challenging. The specially developed exhaust system delivers a powerful soundtrack that perfectly matches the vehicle's performance capabilities. Depending on the selected driving mode, the exhaust note can range from refined and comfortable to aggressive and exhilarating. Every drive becomes an event. Technology also plays a major role in the overall experience. Advanced driver assistance systems help improve safety and convenience, while the latest infotainment features keep passengers connected and entertained. Despite its extreme performance credentials, the BRABUS 900 edition remains practical enough for everyday use. As for pricing, exclusivity comes at a premium. Depending on specifications and customization options, the BRABUS 900 edition can exceed several $100,000, placing it among the most exclusive performance SUVs available today. However, for buyers seeking unmatched luxury, extreme power, and rare exclusivity, the investment may be well worth it. The new Mercedes BRABUS 900 edition is more than just a luxury SUV. It is a statement of performance, craftsmanship, and prestige. Combining breathtaking power with world-class luxury, it represents the ultimate expression of what a high-performance luxury vehicle can be.